Hey everybody, hope you're well. Gary Fernan here for PHOTORECEPTORCELL, and in today's video what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how quick and how easy it is to copy frames in Premiere Pro. Now, what I've done is I've already dropped the photos into Premiere Pro. Let's just have a quick look at those. There we go. Lovely. Now, let's say, for example, we would like to copy this second shot of Eleanor. So all we do is highlight the frame that you want to copy, hold down your Option key, and simply drag and drop. And there you go, copied. It is as simple as that, and that will speed up, that keyboard shortcut will speed up your workflow astronomically. Guys, take care, and I will see you next time.